Okay, choke adjusted. Valve cover gaskets replaced. And I think Doc's getting new valve covers for it anyway. Aluminum ones. Just watching the water temperature. Seems to be running a little high. Might need a thermostat. So that'll be next on the agenda, I'm sure.